FLNC stock analysis and FLNC stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do and trade. And I'm the only guy in this stock space that has done 40,000 videos, and I has proved that has actually happened because I have 40,000 videos. You can check it out. So I've seen what's making me money and what's not. Overall, the first thing on the list is going to be that I'm in this very big bearish market that I obviously talked about before. And in this particular instance, man, here's the proof of me calling it down. So I like literally have proof that I've called this thing out beforehand. It was made 4 months back. And then ultimately, as I'm just sitting here, the likelihood that this thing just going to keep melting, man, is high. So one thing that I care about the most is if I see some sort of a shift. Really nothing else. In reality, if there's no confirmation, I'm just not going to randomly sell. You know, people assume that, you know, because just because I have my idea set up here that I'm selling randomly. No. But to be patient, but I'll keep waiting for my rules to be met. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month without indicators, then just click the first link in the description, get my free emails.